Welcome back to Just Google It, Bro, where we Google the hard stuff so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects everyone who's ever used a phone or computer: deleting files. You might think that pressing delete and emptying the recycle bin means your data is gone forever. But here's the uncomfortable truth: most of the time, it's not gone at all. In this video, we'll reveal what really happens to your data when you hit delete, why deleted files can almost always be recovered, and what you need to do to make sure your personal information is truly gone. Let's get straight into it. Let's start with what actually happens when you delete a file. Most people imagine that deleting a file destroys it instantly, but in reality, your device simply removes the file's entry from its internal catalog. The data itself, the photos, messages, or documents, remains physically on your storage device. The system just marks that space as available for new data in the future. Until something new is written over it, the original file is still there, fully readable by anyone with the right tools. Imagine a massive library filled with thousands of books. Each book has a catalog entry that tells you where to find it. When you delete a file, it's like removing the book's entry from the catalog, but leaving the book itself on the shelf. The library system thinks the shelf is empty, but anyone who knows where to look can still find the book. This is exactly how your device handles deleted files. The data is still there, just not listed in the system. You might wonder why devices don't just destroy your data instantly. The answer is speed and efficiency. Overwriting every bit of data takes time and wears out your storage hardware faster. Simply removing the catalog entry is almost instant and keeps your device running smoothly. But this convenience comes at a cost: your privacy. Most users have no idea that their deleted files are still recoverable. Here's a fact that might surprise you. Professional data recovery companies can often recover deleted files from devices even months after deletion, as long as the storage space hasn't been overwritten. With the right software, photos, messages, and documents you thought were gone can be brought back to life. This is why simply deleting files isn't enough if you want your data to be truly gone. Let's talk about a real-world scenario: selling or giving away your old phone. Millions of people do this every year. Most perform a factory reset, thinking it wipes everything clean. But on many older devices, especially Android phones, a factory reset only removes the catalog entries. It doesn't overwrite the actual data. That means your personal photos, messages, and even passwords can still be recovered by someone using basic recovery tools. Researchers have shown just how risky this can be. In one study, they bought second-hand Android phones and used recovery software to see what they could find. On many devices, they recovered personal photos, emails, text messages, and even stored passwords, despite the phones having been factory reset. The previous owners believed their data was gone, but it was still there, waiting to be discovered. Deleting files from cloud storage adds another layer of complexity. When you delete a photo from Google Photos or iCloud, it usually goes to a trash folder for 30 days. During that time, it's easily recoverable. Even after it's removed from your visible storage, the data may persist on backup servers for weeks or months before it's truly gone. Deleting from your device doesn't mean it's deleted from the cloud, and deleting from the cloud doesn't mean it's instantly erased everywhere. It's important to understand that deleting a file on your device or in the cloud doesn't mean it's instantly and permanently destroyed. There are often multiple copies, backups, and delays before your data is truly erased. This creates a window of vulnerability where your information can be recovered by someone with access to the right tools or servers. So what can you do if you want your data to be genuinely and permanently unrecoverable? The answer depends on the device. For phones, the best method is to fully encrypt the device before performing a factory reset. For computers, you should use a secure erase tool that overwrites the storage space with random data multiple times. These steps make it nearly impossible for anyone to recover your files. Encryption scrambles all the data on your device using a key that only your passcode can unlock. After you factory reset an encrypted phone, the key is destroyed, making the data unreadable, even if someone manages to recover it from the storage chip. Most modern iPhones encrypt by default, but on Android, You may need to enable full device encryption in the security settings before resetting. For laptops and desktops, simply deleting files or emptying the recycle bin isn't enough. Tools like DBAN for older hard drives or built-in secure erase features in Windows and Mac OS overwrite the storage space with random data multiple times. Modern solid-state drives have secure erase functions built into their firmware, specifically designed to make data permanently unrecoverable. Did you know that the U.S. Department of Defense has strict standards for data destruction? Sensitive data must be overwritten multiple times with random characters before a storage device is considered safe to dispose of. This level of thoroughness is necessary to prevent even the most advanced recovery techniques from retrieving old information. Let's bring it all together. Pressing delete simply removes the catalog entry, but the data, the book, is still on the shelf. This creates a serious privacy risk, especially when selling or giving away old devices. The only way to make sure your data is truly gone is to encrypt your phone before resetting it and use secure erase tools on computers. Remember the library analogy the next time you delete a file. Now you know the truth about deleted data. The next time you press delete and feel that sense of relief, remember, the catalog entry is gone, but the book is still on the shelf, unless you take the right steps. Encrypt your phone before resetting, use secure erase tools on computers, and be mindful of cloud storage policies. Protect your privacy and make sure your data is truly gone when you want it to be.